Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kim and today guys I have another handbag unboxing guys. I know I said I was gonna be like very careful and not buy bags guys, but I just couldn't help myself. I couldn't. We're like in March, right? So far I have bought 3 bags. Yeah, I don't know guys. Oh my gosh, I'm just super excited. So if you guys saw my last unboxing, I unboxed the Plaza black bag guys, the Plaza 25, the patchwork one. Yes, I got this one guys. Oh my god, and I love it. I still haven't used it, but guys, I loved it so much I had to order another one guys. I got the white one. Yes, that's what I'm gonna unbox right now. I'm super excited to see it. I love this one guys. I still have to do it up close, so stay tuned for that. But yeah guys, I'm gonna move into her probably like today, so yeah, stay tuned for that one. But guys, oh my gosh, it's here. Oh my god, I'm so excited guys. Let's get right into it. I need to see this bag guys, and it did take a while to get shipped. I don't know why, but she's here guys. Remember guys, there's 3 different ones. There's the brown one that like dropped first, and then the black one, the one I just showed you guys, and then the white one guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I got my handy dandy crafting knife to open my box because yeah, it's taped, you know. I'm just loving these Plaza bags guys. If I'm being honest guys, I was so impressed with that one. I literally, like when I opened it, if you guys saw that video, I was like speechless for a bit. I was so impressed with it. It's gorgeous. I know some of you guys got it, right? I know some people are telling me they got the black one, some people got that white one, they were waiting on it. Guys, I was waiting too. Like I said, I don't know why it took like a bit to ship, but it eventually did, and it's here. Oh my god. That was my thumbnail guys. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't want to blast too much because I want to see this bag. Okay, so hold on, I'm trying to show you guys. So again, it is not factory wrapped. It's coming in those dust bags with the little notes. Same packaging guys, same packaging as my black one. And again, in this like little vanilla color dust bag. Is this new guys? I don't know. I've never received a bag in a dust bag like this, so I don't know. But yeah, let's see it. I'm super excited. Again, this is the white one. Okay. Oh my gosh. Open up. It's struggling. Hold on. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hold on guys. Okay, I see little hairs, but I think it's just like little trash from the dust bag. Okay, so this is the white one. Give me a second. Let me look. Let me check everything is good, because like I said, it has pelitos, but I think it's from the dust bag. Oh my god, this dust bag drops a lot of hair. Okay, I think everything's looking good guys. So yeah, this is the white one. Look at that. Oh my gosh, the brown one's a little bit darker, but I wanted this one because I don't know why. It just, I don't even wear white denim, but I thought this one was cuter. Like, since I have the black one, go with the other colorway, which is white, you know. Look. Okay, let me show you the back. The side, the other side where the tag is. This is the tag. Nothing in the back. I love this color. Look at that. That's beautiful. The bottom. The brown one's like a little bit more orangey, I would say. This is more like a khaki color, you know? Look at that patchwork though, guys. It does have a little distress one here. It's beautiful. How do we look together? Guys, okay, let's open it. So remember, it does have like the little thing to clip your strap to the zipper pull. It is gold brass hardware. What is? I think it does say brass hardware on the website. Yeah. Okay, let's see the strap. Ah! Let's see the strap. Let's see the strap. Same color, guys, that khaki color. Look at that. I love that color, guys. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Such a nice detail. It really, I feel like it really pops. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and clip it onto the bag. Look at that. Let me see, what color is the black one? I think it's just black. Yeah, it's just all black. I don't know why. It really, really pops on this. I love it. Look at that. It's beautiful. Right? Okay, let's look inside. Let me take out all this stuff. And this is the interior. It's like a brown, like a dark, beautiful brown, guys. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Oh my god, that's beautiful. And it smells delicious. That's beautiful. Look at that. Definitely getting those vintage vibes, guys. That is gorgeous. And remember, I did need like that extension. So if you guys remember, I bought these from Amazon and it came with two. So one for the black one and then one for this one that I have to be switching out, you know? These are so cute. Look at that. It's a little bag extender, strap extender. And clip it onto here. Like that. And then on this end is where the strap is gonna go. Like that. Beautiful, right? Look at that. Just a little extra for me, you know? And I think it looks beautiful, guys. She is such a cutie. Just the detail on these bags, guys. I love them. I love them. They are so freaking cute. Oh my god, look at that. Look. Oh my god, they are so pretty. So happy. Oh my god. I can't believe I got both of these, guys. And I think they're still in stock too. So if you want one, go snag it. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. If you see it and you're like, I didn't even like it, this bitch is lying. Come tell me, be like, I didn't like it. But guys, I'm telling you, oh my god, these bags are freaking gorgeous. I love them. Love, love, love. I'm so happy I got these. Right? That's why I didn't get the brown one. Oh my god, it's so tempting. But I was like, okay, I'll get a black one and then the white one to kind of even things out. You know what I mean? So, oh my gosh. Anyways, we're talking about her right now. Guys, what do you guys think? Beautiful, right? Oh my gosh. Gives me all the vintage vibes I need. I love her. I love the detail, guys. It's beautiful, beautiful work on this bag, guys. I feel like it's worth it. Very, very worth it. Hold on, I'm trying to move the strap out of the way. It's gorgeous. So yeah, let me know what you think. Who else got one? Are we twinning? Are we twinning on the black one? Are we twinning on both? Let me know. Are you gonna go grab one now because you saw this one and you're like, oh my god, it's adorable? I'll be linking them down below for you guys just to make it easier. If you do use my links, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. But guys, it's gorgeous. You won't be disappointed. Go ahead, leave me a lovely comment down below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you already did, thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Oh my gosh. upset.